Okay, so we are going to boil water. First off, let's pick out which burner. I'm going to use this burner. This burner is cool. Let's see, this is burner number 1. So I'm going to turn that on. And I go high. Power boost. Highest setting. By the way, highest setting, not hot. Hi, Gary. Alright, now putting some water in the bowl. Putting it on the stove. Alright. The hissing sound means it's working. Sizzling, yes, sizzling. And I think that's some steam coming up. And we have some bubbles. And bubbles are on the side. And I think that's a rolling boil. And that is the magnet oven.